So you might be in a position where your MetaQuest Pro controllers are not charging. Now can be a very common issue. These controllers are so new, so I don't know how many people are going to watch this video. But the very first thing you have to remember is that these specific controllers are now chargeable. So you have to make sure that this specific port right here is clean and there's nothing in the way of this specific port right here and this port. Now before we get too far into this, the dock also may have an issue. So make sure the dock doesn't have any issues, make sure it's plugged in to the USB-C port right there, and make sure that is set. Sometimes that can also be the issue, so as long as there's no issues with the dock, then we can move on. So then what we want to do is, all we want to do is go ahead and make sure this specific port right here lines up to that specific section right there. So I've also done some dumb things where I put the controller here and didn't charge it, should have known better. But basically, you want to make sure that this part right here is flat in here. So make sure this plugs into there. So if we go and try it again, you'll basically get an idea that it should kind of magnetically come into place. So as you can see, if you can still move it around and the dock's not moving, then that doesn't mean it's secure. You'll have to kind of push it in there, and you will see now that if I go and move this, it'll now be secure. You should also see an indication that the controller is charging, and you can do the exact same thing on the other side. So make sure it's going through and actually plugged in, and you can also do it without even looking if you get really good at it. And that's all you have to do. Kind of put it into place, and that's all you have to do, and the controller should now be charging. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.